Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can use AI. Everyone and anyone can use AI and how you can use and utilize it. Let's see today. You can take mock interviews, you can actually analyze resume of a person and a lot more. So let me show you that taking example of one resume. Okay, so let me go off the screen, not required, and let's talk about this. So we are talking about Claude today. You can use other tools also. I'll be talking about other tools later, but I'm talking about Claude today. So let's talk about Claude and how we can do that. Let's use this. Add a content. So let me upload a resume. This is of one of my students. So let's upload that. Okay, this is there. You can see that the resume is uploaded. You can have some information if you want to have it. Just reads the text from the PDF. Okay, uh please analyze this resume. Spelling mistakes we can always correct. So okay, so let's correct this. Z and S. Okay, just a small prompt. I'll be talking about generative AI also later. So how we give see. I'll be happy to analyze this resume for you. You can see that recommendations are there. Overall impression, well-rounded candidate, strong foundation in computer science, practical experience. You can see that formatting, everything it has given you. You have other tools also. You can use other tools also, but I'm talking about Claude today. So we'll be talking about other tools later. Recommendation is there. Uh, which let's see. Oh, sorry. Which role suits him the most? So this is what you have got already. And suitable roles: junior software developer, data engineer, front end developer, data IT analyst, full stack developer. Okay, so you can copy from here also, or you can have this entire document also. Okay, let me focus on one. So focusing on one niche, what skills should he develop? You can say I. Okay, in your case you can say I. So keeping one niche, not all. Advanced SQL, big data, topology, cloud platform. You can see that it is telling that you can have this any certifications recommended. You can analyze your okay NoSQL data visualization. This is actually is already working on all that anyway. Azure certification, Google Cloud, AWS, any of that you can take. Cloud certifications, MongoDB certification. You can have a lot of certifications. Okay. Now this is there. Now let me show you something interesting. Let's come to this point, and it will. You can see that you can download this. Uh, can you take a mock interview on whatever skills he has? Let's say NoSQL or SQL. SQL is okay. You can have NoSQL or SQL. Now see that it can take your mock interview also, and you can see that this question: write a SQL query to select all columns from table named employees. Please provide your answer and then we'll discuss it before moving on to the next question. You can see that this all the answer is already there. Expected answer. See, so it is giving you the answer side by side also. And question basic select statement, you can use select, and then all that we can see that joins and it tells you. But this will take your interview, and let me copy this for now and see what it says. That okay, this is suppose the answer. Let's see, this may not be the correct answer, but since it has already given, so it should be okay. Answer is correct and show a high level of SQL connectivity. This query fix solves the problem, and you can see that. So it can continue with more questions if you want, and or you can simply end it if you want. Okay, so it has since Claude is like you can have few messages, only one message left, so you can say, can you continue with more questions? The questions are on the right actually already. The last question was important, other was were very simple questions. You can see that. Then pivot table, it is asking about the pivot table. Write SQL query to pivot the data from a sales table to show total sales of each product as column. Now this has already given me actually the query, you can see, and some more questions are there. So let's see that it is the 8th question and I already have the answer. So I can copy paste to save time, actually nothing else. Otherwise, you have okay timed out. So you can see that it is already there. So you can generate a query, you can analyze your resume, you can use others also, but they will not take your mock interview. So if you want to create a mock interview, you can use Claude, and you can use actually to analyze it. Claude can actually analyze your resume, also suggest a few things, and also the courses, certifications. You can download everything you have here, and you can enjoy that. So I'll continue with generative AI now in the next video. Till then, enjoy this video and keep practicing. You have limitations with Claude. If you have a paid version, definitely you can use for more. I have run out of my credits for the day. I've already used it a lot, so I have to pause it here. Have a nice day, have a nice time, and don't forget to subscribe.